Can EU citizens open a Spanish bank account without an IE? Hello and welcome to Spainguru. If you're an EU citizen living outside Spain and you are wondering if you can open a Spanish bank account without an IE, stick around. I've got the answers right here. This is one of those tricky, not so straightforward situations, but let's break it down and figure out what's possible. Let's start with the basics. The NIE, or Número de Identificación de Extranjero, is essentially an identification number for foreigners in Spain. Typically, an NIE is required for official or formal procedures, including opening a bank account. But what if you don't have one yet? Is it still possible to open an account? The answer is maybe. It depends on the bank, the region, and sometimes even the specific branch you visit. Some banks allow non-residents to open bank accounts using just a passport. For instance, BBVA, Santander, Sabadell, and Deutsche Bank have been known to open accounts without registering an IE, although there might be extra conditions. A few things to consider. First, location matters. In some regions, specific banks may be stricter about requiring an IE. For example, one of Spainguru's community members reported that BBVA wouldn't allow them to open an account in Logroño, La Rioja, even though they had a local address and other documents. But Deutsche Bank in that same area allowed it, with the condition that they'd eventually need a TIE, or Tarjeta de Identificación Extranjero, or residency card, or some formal residency documentation. Second, non-resident accounts. Banks like Deutsche Bank, Sabadell, and Santander offer accounts specifically for non-residents, which usually just require your passport. However, these accounts may come with a monthly maintenance fee, so be prepared for that extra cost. Alternative options. Some EU citizens have managed to get an IE issued from Spanish consulates abroad for the purpose of opening a bank account. It's usually a quick process and costs around 7 to 9 euros. That way, you're covered if you do end up needing the IE. And the last one, in-person requirement. Most of these accounts need to be opened in person, so if you're planning a trip to Spain, it might be worth your while to open an account while you're here. Some banks, though, like CaixaBank or N26, offer online sign-up for certain non-resident accounts, but the options may be more limited. So what's the takeaway? Yes, it is possible for EU citizens to open a bank account in Spain without an IE, but the process varies by bank, branch, and region. Always check with specific banks, and if you can, speak directly with a bank representative who can guide you on any documentation you'll need. Thank you for watching. If this helped clear up your questions, don't forget to hit that like button. Oh, and one more thing. Apparently YouTube says you're gonna love watching this video right here. I think you should watch it.